Yeah, something we're keeping a very close eye on here, Kiana, especially over into Jamaica as Hurricane Melissa continues to get closer and closer. The island is preparing for the potentially catastrophic impacts of the forecasted Category 5 storm. Life-threatening flooding, dangerous wind gusts, high storm surge, and mudslides are all going to be a major concern.
Yes, people, we are in Westmoreland. Through Russia, people. We are going through Russia, people. In Westmoreland, we are here traversing, people. Here, people, the people have buttoned up their houses, and we are traversing through Russia, and we have seen where a lot of houses. Good girl. We have seen where a lot of houses is fully buttoned down, people. While we are traversing, the houses are buttoned down. People, the breeze, look at the trees. Look at the trees, people. The trees right now is going, people. They're blowing. We are traversing. Every house is buttoned down, people. Every house is buttoned down. And we are traversing. We are still in Russia, people. We are still, people. No send me song gift, people. Send me song gift. People, no send me song gift, people. Send me song gift. The houses are buttoned down, people. The houses are buttoned down. People are still playing dominoes and reasoning, people. So we are here live streaming. People, we are transpiring through Russia. All fishermen are on island. So people, here we are reporting live through Russia. Doggers looking out. Yeah, left, monk. Yeah, left. So how will you pack up for you?
We start here, go. Bomb flower. Left, yeah, left.
Yeah, left.
So we are going 80 hours.
Where are you
80. You goods then just come.
Then goods are just come in.
What kind of goods them here?
So monk, hold on, monk. You ready for your storm? You have somewhere to go, you have food. Where food? Yeah, look food. Alright, remember shelter the upper Godfrey Stewart School. So when you see rain start fall hard and on top of you don't know if you go up a Godfrey Stewart School, go shelter from the rain. You hear?
Yeah.
Go and walk for now, so it rain and come hard. Go on up a Godfrey, go shelter.
Yeah, you carry all of them over there?
No, you have to hide them. They're not going to make you carry them up over Godfrey. Hide them so nobody not sees them. And go on up a Godfrey. We don't want to see up on the road. This time I come, left the road and go on up a Godfrey. You hear? I mean, we see you up on the road in a month. Alright, people, we are making sure that the homeless people know where to go because we don't want anything happen to them people. So here we are right now, traversing the roadways, making sure that you are getting full coverage. How good on our Look, hold on, still have one part there. Yo, we not go away, we don't want to buy poncho. Go on there and hold.
Nah, poncho, man.
Oh, wait, we are looking over wharf. People, we are checking over by the wharf to show you guys what's transpiring. Yo, walk. Alright, people, we are now at the wharf, people. We are at the wharf. We are now at the wharf. Yes, we will definitely be careful. We will definitely. Oh, my hustler road no bad. So here we are at people at the wharf. We are showing you guys what's transpiring right now here while Melissa chatting to hit Jamaica. And the Fox News said if we could evacuate Jamaica, we should. But America is not letting us in. So right now, we just have to be out here showing you guys what's transpiring and what's happening. There's a few old boats tied down here. This big damaged one. So guys, this is actually wharf, guys, and how the weather looks How them? Okay guys, this is actually wharf guys in Westmoreland, Savlon Park. And we have buckler shoes with the people. Yeah, I want to do that. Oh no good? I'm not turn the camera upon. I want to be safe here. When the rain start fall and the water start get wicked, I want to go home. Don't turn it, don't make the camera shine upon it. Alright, you want to be safe here. Once the rain start falling, you go home. People, no take a good look. I'm gonna switch around the camera, people, so you can see how the breeze is operating right now, people. Look at this. You see? There's it, Melissa is coming, people. Melissa is coming, Bumbleclad. Melissa is coming, people. There is the sea, people. It's dangerous. Them said the storm is 6 hours out, but the sea is showing us that it's gonna be a devastating one. It's gonna be devastating, people. The rain is no longer falling. So people, we are out here, people. Alright. We are out here, people. Yes, hard fur, hard. We are here, people. We are here.
Show myself, no send some gift now.
People, no send me some gift, people. Send me some gift, people. Send me some gift. Send me some gift, people. Rose, anything, people. We are now traveling. I'm gonna show you another seaside. The Pum Pum shop still open, guys. It's not closed as yet. Alright, top right, I say we go down and see down there, so see where it's going with. Alright, we are going to another sea. No, I don't have anything to do, Annie. Annie, me not nothing to do. That's why I'm out here and I see a storm. Nothing to go on. So we are now traversing on another location, on another seaside. We are showing you all what's taking place on all the seasides. So the fishermen, they are out looking. That's all they can do. Look, they can't go out there. So look, this sea right now have pushed out a lot of debris on the land. So people, here we are. The fishermen can't go out there. The fishermen, they have to just stay on the land right now and look what the sea is going on with. They can't go out there to do any withdrawal. They can't do any withdrawal right now. They only can look. So who never save up any fish money is getting fucked. Man, they're too close, guys. I'm then too close, guys. And TVJ, never see me on 8 o'clock news one night. I know watch news one night, I'm there on news one night. 8 o'clock news. See it there, people. See it there. Fox 1, me I work with Fox 1. And what Fox 1? Yeah, Fox 1 me I work with. People, this here is another beach side where, look, there are the fishermen. They have to be on the sideline watching. They can't go out there. They can't go out there, none at all. They have to just watch from the dry land. We are here. All the boats have been drawn up. No boats are in the water, people. Let me show you all the boats. They have drawn them up on dry land. They have drawn up all the boats, people. All the boats have drawn on shore, people. So the boats will be safe and houses are battened down. Well, the boats can't go any further. That's the closest, that's the farthest they could pull them.
Yeah.
I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. I want to see the outcome. Not the income, the outcome. I'm not leaving. Yeah? That's my side. My side, I believe in God. And God never fails. Guys, he's probably under a few special right now. On craving it. So see with him, guys. See with him, guys. So we are here live with a few patrons. Can I video you, ma'am? Alright. So we are here at Tanya Business Place right here. Curry chicken and dumpling, Mama said she's eating in the Storm. Okay, so you see a lot of personnel is on the sideline waiting for the Storm. So we are moving, guys. We are moving once more again. We are moving once more, guys. We are traversing, guys. A lot of personnel is out waiting on the Storm. So here you see them. There, yes, we are at 12th Street. This is 12th Street Bridge. Here are the people. They're outside, guys, waiting for the Storm. The young and the old, everyone is outside waiting for the Storm. And we are moving again, guys. There, everyone is out here waiting for the Storm. People, no send me. And there you have it, people. All personnel are securing their boats to the extreme to make sure that nothing happens to them. As there you have all the boats and the engines, they are safe. Everyone is here traversing. We have all the fishermen out, and it looks like the Storm is gonna hit in the night. So they are taking extra precaution, saving their boats to make sure. So I'm not sure. There you have the drain, the big main drain. It's actually full of debris and trees and stuff like that. So there's gonna be flood down here. A lot of person house is gonna flood out, and enough of them is gonna drown. So keep in check. And there you have some young man clean. There's a little girl saying she's outside in the Storm. I hope when the Storm truly hits, she'll be outside. Same. Yo! Watch out, my transportation gone left me again, people. Bumbuckler!